So I have created this model in Mixamo Fuse, and if we want to animate it, first of all we'll have to add bones to it, or in simple words we need to rig it. So go to mixamo.com and then you will see an upload character option over here. Just click on upload character and then select the character file. And I'm gonna select the OBJ file over here. You will notice that your character model is uploaded on Mixamo. Now you can click on the next button and then you will have to just drag one of these around and move them according to the correct locations. So this one goes beside the chin, this one goes beside the wrists. Similarly, you can do the others. And just hit on the next button. Now Mixamo will do the rigging for you. Now once Mixamo has done the rigging, it will play an animation for you. And if the animation is playing the way you expect it to, that means you're good to go. Just hit on the next button and then you will see your 3D model in Mixamo. Now you can click on the download button so we can use it in Unity. You can select FBX for Unity in T-pose and hit the download button. Now I have brought my 3D model in Unity, but it doesn't have any textures, so we need to bring the textures in Unity as well. So these are the 4 files which I'm going to drag, and these are the textures. Now we will create a new material so we can use all those textures. So just click on create and click on material. I'm going to discuss all these options in more detail in the future videos, but for now you can understand that these are the different texture maps you need in order for your character to look the way you want. However, it's not compulsory to have all these texture maps. Second thing, we're going to change the shader. We're going to change the shader from standard to standard specular setup, because you will notice that we have a specular map and I would like to use that. So once you click on the 3D model, the diffuse will go to albedo, the normal map will go to the normal section, and you can click on fix now and the specular map will go to the specular section. Now once this is done, you can drag this 3D material on your character. So it's possible that your character might not look as good as it was looking in Mixamo. And this could be related to your lightning, but it could also be related to the smoothness over here. If you decrease it, your character might look a bit better. Now once this is done, it means my character is ready to be animated. And we're gonna continue from here in the next video.